Ondo Finance has done it again. Ondo is one of the most active cryptocurrencies in the real world asset sector, and they have just released some bullish news. Before we break down their partnership announcement with XRP, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is C. Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos. Okay, let's dive in. So we'll start off with a breakdown on Ondo Finance. So we're on Ondo.finance. This is the institutional grade finance now on chain platform. So Ondo is building the next generation of financial infrastructure to improve market efficiency, transparency, and accessibility. Big stuff happening over here. So you got the USDY, which is the US dollar yield at 4.35%. If you're outside of the US and you are an institution or something of that nature, you can definitely hop into that yield. And then you have the US Treasuries paying the APY of 4.3%. Before we go deeper into the US Treasuries, just want to show you that right here, big name, BlackRock. So a high quality asset and managers. Our funds invest exclusively into multi-billion-dollar, highly liquid exchange-traded funds, ETFs, managed by the world's preeminent bond managers. And you got, again, BlackRock right there. And if BlackRock name is on there, you should definitely pay attention. We know Larry Fink has been talking about tokenizing bonds, all kind of different assets, stocks, securities, and he's making a lot of waves and moves in that space. Then again, experienced leadership. You have our executive team has diverse experience across leading institutions like Goldman, Bridgewater, Millennium, and BlackRock. Again, Goldman Sachs, another big player in the game, and Bridgewater, Millennium, and like I said, BlackRock. So let's dive into the US Treasuries a little more. So the institutional standard for liquidity built for institutional investors, OUSG, offers exposure to short-term U.S. Treasuries with a 24/7 instant mint and redemption. So that's allowing you to get into these things in and out 24/7. So mint, redeem, and convert. So you got Ethereum network, Solana, and Polygon. And then the big announcement we'll get to in a moment. So right now, at the time of this video, the bonds or the yields are short-term U.S. Treasury, government treasuries are $1.09.7738 with a 4.3% APY, which is really solid. So the safer daily yield, and you see this chart is just keep going up. So real good yield for your cash, especially if you're an institution, easy money. So to dive in deeper into Ondo Finance to get a better understanding, Ondo Finance is in the category of the real world protocol coins that is on CoinGecko. And right now, Ondo is doing really well today. Again, at the time of this video, it has a $4.8 billion market cap, up almost 16% for the week and up 11.5% today. So it's one of the coins in the real world asset sector and definitely trending. Ondo is also in the sector of top made USA coins by market cap. And again, that is very important. You see it here, number 35 on this list. It's important because we know Eric Trump is making an announcement about USA coins having zero taxes. There's a lot of push for the United States to get into crypto and regulation that is favorable for US-based companies. Very, very important. So if we dive into the big announcement here, you have OUSG, which is the yield I just showed you, an institutional grade product backed by tokenized US Treasuries and BlackRock's Build Fund, represents a natural fit for a blockchain purpose built for institutional adoption. See how Ondo and Ripple are powering institutional grade finance. So this is a big partnership. We're bridging OUSG to XRP ledger. Again, this one right here, the short-term U.S. government treasury is now Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and then you would add XRP. Massive news. So Ondo Finance expands institutional reach with OUSG deployment on the XRP ledger. Bullish, bullish, bullish in my opinion. So let's look at some of the key highlights. Bringing OUSG to the XRP ledger, institutional investors on XRLP will, for the first time, have access to OUSG, a product combining security, compliance, and yield, backed by a high-quality US Treasury's fund and stringent KYC/AML standards. You got to be legit. Established liquidity. Ripple and Ondo have secured commitments to seed OUSG liquidity upon initial deployment, driving further adoption of tokenized RWAs on the XRPL ledger. Mint and redemptions, that's 24/7. A key feature of OUSG on the XRPL is going to be seamless interoperability with Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin. That's their new stablecoin. This integration will allow instant minting and redemption of the OUSG via the RLUSD, empowering users with round-the-clock liquidity and financial flexibility. So you can get in and out. You have your KYC stuff going. It's on the XRP ledger, so you know it's smooth, it's fast, cheap transaction fees, backed by BlackRock, Goldman Sachs is involved, and then you can earn a nice yield for your clients or for yourself. Pretty powerful stuff here. And more big news is that, remember, World Liberty Financial is Donald Trump's investment platform for crypto. And Ondo is one of the few cryptos that is in the fund. This is in the fund, y'all. Very important. So you got Ethereum, Chainlink, Ondo, Aave, Bitcoin, and Ethena. So Ondo is sitting right in the middle of the pack. They have identified this token, which is used for the DAO and the Flux platform. And that's how a lot of us are going to, you buy it so that way you can try to run up as the attention, as the market cap grows, as the use case gets larger and bigger and better. That's how we'll then profit off of that if you're a holder and everything goes according to plan, right? But Ondo is a part of the World Liberty Financial portfolio. So let's check out what's next for Ondo. So Ondo Summit is coming up. So following today's announcement with Ripple, we are thrilled to share our next Ondo Summit featured speaker, David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, of one of the original architects of the XRLP ledger. So right here, you got the Ondo Summit link. In 2023, David declared that real-world asset tokenization will drive the blockchain economy, and that's what's happening right now. He's on point. A belief we deeply share at Ondo, and one that fuels our vision to revolutionize Wall Street. So this is the Ondo Summit happening on February 6, 2025. Again, Ripple CTO will be there talking about this new partnership and what they expect. So right here, Wall Street 2.0 is coming. Ondo is bringing institutional grade finance on chain. The first ever Ondo Summit will bring together the biggest names in traditional finance and blockchain. Save the date as we unveil the next era of finance, streaming live from NYC on the February 6th. Can't wait to show you what we have. All right, and that's what's happening for Ondo. We did a nice Ondo breakdown of the platform, American-made RWA sector. It is also in the Trump World Liberty Financial portfolio. The XRP partnership is really bullish and just great for crypto overall. And then we talked about what's next. The Ondo Summit is happening February 6th. So if you would like to support this channel, make sure you check out my playlist below, live streams, crypto alpha, short form videos, podcasts and whatnot. And make sure that you share this on social, share it on your Twitter accounts, and then interact with my post. I do a lot of polls there, and put out news as well. Leave your comments on videos. It's much appreciated. So again, my name is C. Will. This is a Passive Income Network. I see you all in the next video. Peace. Passive income, gold in my dental. Thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals. Told my girl it was simple.